Cluck and Quack. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills and lush green forests, there lived a chicken and a duck. The chicken, named Cluck, was known for her beautiful golden feathers and melodious voice. The duck, named Quack, was admired for his sleek white feathers and graceful swimming skills. Cluck and Quack were the best of friends, always seen together exploring the meadows and splashing in the sparkling pond. They would spend their days chatting and laughing, enjoying each other's company. One day, as they were wandering through the forest, they stumbled upon a mysterious old woman sitting by a crackling fire. She beckoned them closer and said, "I have a special gift for you, my dear friends. I will grant you one wish each, but be careful what you wish for." Cluck and Quack were overjoyed at the prospect of having their wishes granted. Cluck wished to have the most beautiful voice in the village, while Quack wished to be the fastest swimmer in the pond. The old woman nodded and waved her hand, and in an instant, Cluck's voice became even more enchanting, filling the air with its sweet melody. Quack's wings grew stronger, and he glided through the water with incredible speed. But as days passed, Cluck began to feel lonely. Her beautiful voice attracted the attention of all the other animals in the village, but they were too mesmerized by her singing to truly befriend her. Quack, on the other hand, was so fast that he could no longer keep up with the other ducks in the pond, leaving him feeling isolated. Realizing their mistake, Cluck and Quack sought out the old woman once more and begged her to undo their wishes. The old woman smiled kindly and said, "Sometimes, the things we wish for are not always what we truly need. Remember, true friendship and happiness come from within." With a wave of her hand, Cluck's voice returned to its normal, sweet tone, and Quack's swimming speed returned to its natural pace. The two friends embraced each other, grateful for the lesson they had learned. From that day on, Cluck and Quack lived happily in the village, cherishing their friendship and the simple joys of life. And whenever they heard the old woman's words echoing in their minds, they would smile and be thankful for the gift of true friendship. And they lived happily ever after.